Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Good morning mga bata. So for today, we are going to discuss the 8 planets of solar system. But before that, may I ask you, are you all good? Yes, great. So let's begin. The first planet of solar system is Mercury. So, what is Mercury? Mercury is the closest to the Sun, smallest planet, and very hot during the day. And of course, if it's night, it is very cold. So, tandaan mga bata, yung Mercury ang pinakamalapit sa Sun o sa araw. At ito ang pinakamaliit na planeta. Number 2, Venus. Venus is the second planet. So these are the hottest planet over the other planet. So these are covered with the 3 clouds. Tandaan, yung Venus, ito yung pangalawang planet na yung pinakamainit na naka-covered siya ng clouds. Remember that mga bata? So the third planet is Earth. Yung Earth is the only planet with life, water, and air. So these are the third planet. And these are our home. Nandito lahat ng tao sa planet. Kasama ako, kasama kayo. Kayong lahat, kayong mga bata. So the fourth one is Mars. Yung Mars, ito yung the red planet. Has red dust and big volcanoes. Nandito yung big volcanoes and may have the frozen water. Remember that mga bata. And the fifth one is Jupiter, the largest planet, yung pinakamalaking planet. Has a big and red storm made of gas. Tandaan. So number 6, Saturn planet. So these are the famous for its beautiful rings made of gas, of course, like also the Venus. But rings are made of ice and rocks. Tandaan mga bata, yung Saturn planet, yung rings na nito ay napakaganda at naging famous tong planet na ito ng dahil sa rings. Dahil ang rings are made of ice and rocks. So number 7, Uranus. So this Uranus has blue and green in color. It spins on its sides and it's very cold. Sobrang napakalamig talaga dito sa Uranus. Tandaan yon mga bata. So the last one is the Neptune planet. So these are the farthest planet that deep and blue. When we say farthest, which means from a far or a distance from a space, which means napakalayo ng planet ito sa space. Tandaan yon mga bata para hindi natin makalimutan. So that is the 8 planets in the solar system. The 8 planets that go around the Sun. So since na-mention natin yung Sun, so ano nga ba yung Sun? Yung Sun, ito yung nagpro-provide ng lights and heat that make life on Earth possible. Yung Sun is napaka-importante nito sa Earth. So yung Sun is the star at the center of our solar system. So yun ang ating topic for today. So mga bata, if ano man doon yung hindi na naintindihan, you can ask the teacher or you can ask me. Understood? Okay, so that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.